Today we fly above the serene Vienybės Square in Kaunas. Why did this Art Deco plaza serve as the heart of the First Republic of Lithuania, and why it has few peers in the world? The unique story of this square is rooted in the 1920s and 1930s, a time when Vilnius had been conquered by Poland, and Kaunas thus served as a de facto capital city of Lithuania. This brief status of importance inspired a massive redevelopment of what had been a provincial city. This redevelopment followed the then popular Art Deco and related styles, making Kaunas a treasure trove of interwar architecture. Vienybės Square was not just another grand urban space, though. This square was meant to be the new spiritual hub of Kaunas and, by extension, the entire Lithuania. The main building that dominates the square is Vytautas the Great National Museum of War, erected in 1934. In these turbulent times, merely 16 years after Lithuania became independent, and just 6 years before it was to be occupied again, war always was a core issue, and the ultimate sacrifice for Lithuania was glorified and respected. Nowhere this is more evident than in this memorial for those who died for Lithuania, with its eternal flame, and an unknown soldier tomb. This tomb is also the end of an alley of sculptures for heroes. Each of these busts represents founding father of the First Republic of Lithuania, mainly those people who propelled the Lithuanian national revival in the 19th century. At the opposite side of this alley stands the Lithuanian Statue of Liberty, embodying the greatest achievement of the founding fathers, the known and unknown soldiers alike, the independent First Republic of Lithuania, declared in 1918. The symbolism of Vienybės Square went far beyond wars of independence, though. The Čiurlionis art gallery, dedicated to the works of Lithuania's most famous painter, is also located here. So is Lithuania's Liberty Bell and its first carillon. In the War Museum Tower, it still gives regular free concerts to the passers-by. And, to top it off, the nearby hill that flanks over Vienybės Square is crowned by the Christ Resurrection Church, built in the 1930s as the prime Roman Catholic Church in Lithuania and the pantheon for its luminaries. All the glorious developments were, however, cut short in 1940, when Lithuania was occupied by the Soviet Union. Soviets have turned the Christ Resurrection Church into a factory, and they have demolished the monuments that stood in Vienybės Square, replacing them with a statue for Lenin. After Lithuania restored its independence in 1990, Vienybės Square was restored once again to its interwar glory. Further reconstructions, such as the expansion of Kaunas University campus nearby, have added 21st century touches to the square, showing that Kaunas, while proud of its century-old past, is also looking forward. While Vilnius is now the capital of Lithuania once again, Kaunas will forever remain the city where the glory of the First Republic of Lithuania, the fabled era of President Smetona, is felt the best. And nowhere is that feeling as potent as here, in Vienybės Square. Yet, Kaunas is far more than this single square, its Art Deco era glory extending over entire districts downhill and uphill alike. These we will show in the other Lithuania Drone Tour videos. Subscribe to this channel and you'll be among the first people to see them.